Nestled along the stunning turquoise coast of southwestern Turkey, Göcek is a picturesque town that has become a haven for travelers seeking a blend of natural beauty, luxury, and tranquility. Known for its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush green landscapes, Göcek is a destination that captivates visitors with its charm and serenity. Whether you're a sailing enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply someone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Göcek offers something for everyone. This guide provides an overview of Göcek, its history, attractions, and why it has become one of Turkey's most sought-after destinations. Göcek's history dates back to ancient times, with evidence of settlements from the Lycian and Roman eras. Göcek was a small fishing village, largely untouched by modern development. However, its transformation began in the 1980s when the Turkish government recognized its potential as a tourist destination and implemented measures to preserve its natural beauty while promoting sustainable tourism. Today, Göcek is a thriving coastal town that has managed to retain its authentic charm despite its growing popularity. Its marina, one of the most prestigious in the Mediterranean, has become a hub for yachting and sailing, attracting visitors from around the world. Göcek is blessed with a stunning natural environment that sets it apart from other destinations. The town is surrounded by the Taurus Mountains, which provide a dramatic backdrop to its turquoise waters and lush forests. The region is part of the Fethiye district, which is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, including the famous Oludeniz Beach and Butterfly Valley. The climate in Göcek is typically Mediterranean, with hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. The summer months, from June to September, are ideal for swimming, sailing, and outdoor activities, with temperatures averaging around 30 degrees Celsius. Spring and autumn are also popular times to visit, as the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. One of Göcek's most iconic features is its world-class marina, which has earned a reputation as one of the best in the Mediterranean. The marina can accommodate over 300 yachts and offers state-of-the-art facilities, including restaurants, cafes, and boutique shops. It serves as a gateway to the 12 Islands, a group of small, uninhabited islands scattered along the coast, each offering secluded bays and pristine beaches. Yachting is a way of life in Göcek, and the town is a popular starting point for blue cruises, a traditional Turkish sailing experience that takes visitors on a journey along the turquoise coast. These cruises offer a unique opportunity to explore hidden coves, ancient ruins, and remote villages, all while enjoying the comfort and luxury of a private yacht or gillet, a traditional wooden sailing vessel. Göcek is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Turkey, many of which are accessible only by boat. Some of the most popular beaches include Cleopatra's Bath, a small, secluded beach surrounded by ancient ruins and crystal-clear waters. Tusain Island, known for its pine forests and tranquil atmosphere, this island is perfect for swimming and picnicking. Yachting Islands, a group of islands with shallow waters and sandy beaches, ideal for families and snorkeling enthusiasts. In addition to swimming and sunbathing, Göcek offers a wide range of outdoor activities, including hiking, cycling, and paragliding. The Lycian Way, one of the world's most famous long-distance hiking trails, passes through the region, offering stunning views of the coastline and mountains. Göcek's dining scene is a reflection of its cosmopolitan atmosphere, with a variety of restaurants serving both traditional Turkish cuisine and international dishes. Fresh seafood is a highlight, with many restaurants offering locally caught fish and mezes, small appetizers. While Göcek is not known for its nightlife in the same way as larger cities like Istanbul or Bodrum, it offers a more relaxed and sophisticated atmosphere. The marina is a popular spot for evening drinks, with many bars and cafes offering live music and stunning views of the harbor. Göcek has become synonymous with luxury, attracting affluent travelers and celebrities seeking privacy and exclusivity. The town is home to a number of high-end resorts, boutique hotels, and private villas, many of which offer direct access to the beach or marina. Some of the most luxurious options include Resort Göcek, a 5-star resort offering spacious rooms, a private beach, and a world-class spa. Skopje Luxury Hotel, a boutique hotel with stylish rooms, an infinity pool, and panoramic views of the sea. Villa Mahal, a luxurious villa rental service offering personalized service and stunning architecture. One of the reasons Göcek has managed to retain its natural beauty is its commitment to sustainable tourism. The town has strict regulations in place to protect its environment, including limits on construction and efforts to preserve its marine ecosystems. Visitors are encouraged to respect the local environment by avoiding littering, using eco-friendly products, and supporting local businesses. Göcek is a destination that truly has it all: natural beauty, luxury, and a rich cultural heritage. Whether you're exploring its pristine beaches, sailing along the turquoise coast, or simply relaxing in one of its luxurious resorts, Göcek offers an unforgettable experience. Its commitment to sustainable tourism ensures that it will remain a hidden gem for generations to come. If you're looking for a destination that combines relaxation, adventure, and sophistication, Göcek should be at the top of your travel list.